How to change your tip on Uber Eats. How to adjust tip in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can go ahead and then adjust your tip in Uber Eats. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by default, whenever you actually place an order, after your order arrives, it will show you one of the preset tip that you can choose from. But what if you want to go ahead and then adjust your tip manually? Now the Uber Eats app lets you change how much you're tipping at 3 different points. One is before you place your order, other is right when it actually arrives, and for a little while after it has been successfully delivered. So maybe after your order has arrived, maybe you've eaten everything, and then after that it'll ask you the rating and if you want to tip them. And these are the 3 different cases when you're trying to tip someone. Now in order to actually go ahead and then adjust your tip, first of all let us discuss with the first step, and that is before we place our order or when we are placing our order. So in this case, if you're buying a food, just put together order and you proceed to the checkout section, and on the checkout page select your address and payment, and a page title like this that says show your support with a tip is going to appear up. So in this case what you have to do is pick how much you want to tip. You can choose a preset percentage or a custom amount. You can also choose a custom amount by tapping in custom and selecting the option called place order. So you can simply go ahead and then place an order just like that. And in another scenario, if you're actually buying groceries, before you place an order, you can just go to delivery details page, scroll down to the shopper tips section, and here you'll find the option called continue to place your order, and you can simply go ahead and tip them in that way. The next is right when your order actually arrives on the doorstep. So if you ordered food and once you receive your order, open the Uber Eats app again. Right when you receive your order and the delivery guy actually goes ahead and then updates that they've delivered food to you, you'll be asked to rate your order and then confirm your tip. You just have to tap on the edit button and then just pick a new amount that you want to do. And after that, let's say after your order has been delivered and you want to tip the person, then open the Uber Eats app and then tap orders in the bottom toolbar. Select your order, then tap on the edit amount next to the tip, and once you select the edit amount next to the tip button, pick your new tip, and then you just want to save it, and once you save it, you'd have successfully changed the tip in that way. So these were the 3 different cases on how you can adjust your tip. One is before you place an order or while you're placing an order. The other is right when your order has arrived, and the other is after a certain while after it has been delivered to you. And that's all it takes to adjust tip in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.